Transform your projects with the Metabo 6-inch angle grinder. Looking for a tool to elevate your DIY and home improvement projects? The Metabo 6-inch angle grinder packs a powerful 13.5 amp motor with a 9,600 RPM speed to handle metal grinding, masonry cutting, and more. Built in Germany, it's made for precision, power, and reliability. With its patented long-lived motor, this grinder boasts 50% more torque and superior durability. The tool-free adjustable guard and quick system allow fast, hassle-free disc changes. Plus, advanced electronics like soft start and overload protection ensure a smooth and safe experience. The anti-vibration handle reduces fatigue, enhancing usability during prolonged operation. Equipped with a mechanical safety slip clutch, it minimizes kickback, ensuring better control and safety. This tool is built with your comfort and protection in mind. Earning a stellar 4.6-star rating from over 300 reviews, users praise its build quality, efficient performance, and ergonomic design. It's lauded as a must-have addition to any enthusiast's toolkit. Ready to take your DIY skills to the next level? Click the description link to explore this game-changing angle grinder today. Your next big project deserves professional-grade tools.